Hi guys, so we're going to be solving this question. This is a linear equation because the y over dx plus px equals to qx. The y here. In this case, px is tan x and qx in this case is simply cos square x. So the first thing you want to do is that you want to find what we call the integrating factor. The integrating factor, which I represent as ix, is simply the exponential raised to the integral of px. In this case, that will be e, then the integral of tan x respect to dx. The integral of tan x is simply sine x over cos x dx. The integral differentiation of cos x is sine x. So it's a standard integral that if you can differentiate the denominator and give the numerator, you can simply have that e will be raised to ln the denominator cos x, negative cos x, because differentiation of cos x is actually negative sine x. Next, e raised to power the ln of anything is basically whatever the argument was here. So this will simply be minus cos x. Now in ln, if you have something like k ln m, it's be the same thing as ln m raised to power k. So in this case, it's minus 1 that is here. So this will become e raised to power ln cos x raised to power negative 1. And e raised to power the ln of anything is simply the argument. So this will be cos x raised to power negative 1. 1 over cos x is simply the same thing as sec x. Next, you multiply the equation through with the integrating factor that we got in. So it will be sec x times y dy dx, that's actually dy dx, plus sec x times tan x y equals to cos square x times sec x. Now, if you look closely at this place, this is actually a product derivative of sec x and y. Let me show you. This is basically f and this is g derivative, plus this is now f derivative, and this is simply just g on its own. This is product derivative as you're saying it. So this basically saying that d over the x of f of g, f times g is equals to this. So we can simply rewrite this as d over dx of sec x, for sec x is f and then g is y times y equals to, this can be simplified. Sec x is the same thing as 1 over cos x, so it will be times 1 over cos x. This is simply going to leave it with just cos x. Now we can simply integrate both sides. Integration of this will simply cancel out d over dx, leaving you with sec x times y equals to integral of cos x with respect to x is simply sine x plus c. And so therefore just take y to one side, y equals to, this is something as 1 over cos x again. So it simply be 1 over cos x. Then I'll cross multiply and take it to the side, so it will become times sin x plus c. This is your final answer. Thank you for listening.